Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the picture-in-picture mode on the Facebook mobile app. So basically turning on the floating video player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to select the apps tile on this page and select where it says all apps near the top, and then scroll down and select the Facebook tile. Scroll down again and select where it says picture in picture. If you want to enable or allow picture in picture, have the toggle to the right side here. And you can see allow this app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window displays on top of the other apps you're using, so you can see it's been turned on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.